Well, I'm enjoying another refreshing summer salad. This one is Mediterranean bean and feta salad. You can use all kinds of beans in there, whatever kind you want. Today we use white beans, you could use kidneys, chickpeas, you name it. And of course the feta cheese, which really adds kick to the salad. And I've got some olives in there, two different color olives. I got tomatoes, I got cucumbers, which really gives it summertime freshness. All right, here we go. All right, and super easy to make. Whip it up in no time. And then, there you go. This is going to be devoured for dinner at our house tonight. What about yours? So, let's go to the kitchen and make some of this right now. So to make this bean and feta salad, very simple summer salad. Again, what we've got here for the ingredients, first of all, the dressing ingredients over here. There's a third a cup of olive oil, there's 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 garlic cloves crushed, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then, over here for the salad itself, well, first of all, the beans back here. Now, I'm using white beans in this one, but you can use any different beans. Garbanzo beans are good in here, or chickpeas, whatever you call them. So all kinds of beans and peas too, can be used in here. What it is one 15-ounce can here of white beans, rinsed and drained. And then here I've got 7 ounces or 200 grams of feta cheese, which I've crumbled up. 2 long, skinny Japanese cucumbers chopped up into pieces. About 20 to 25 mini tomatoes cut in half. 1 red bell pepper chopped. And then a third of a cup each of sliced black olives and sliced green olives. Or if you just got the one color, go for 2/3 of a cup of the one color. Both are fine. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up the dressing itself. So what I want to do here is we'll get the oil into a small bowl. Well, not too small. Big enough that your whisk can get in there easy. I'm going to whisk it up in there. So I got the oil in there. I'll put in the vinegar. Yes, salt and pepper. Come here, guys. All right. The garlic. And then I'll get that mayo in there. All right. Looking good. This is the Japanese mayonnaise. Delicious stuff. Really good. Now all I'm going to do here is just kind of whisk this until it all comes together. What I'm doing is that mayonnaise helps to just kind of emulsify it, get the oil and vinegar together because they don't really like each other that much. They pull apart easy. So there we go. That's ready. That's looking really good. All right, so now I'm just going to grab my favorite big salad bowl here and let's dump in everything. So, especially I can start off with all the hard bits like the cucumber. Let's get those beans in there. Well, hard, I mean not difficult, but hard in texture. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, the bell peppers. Let's get those olives in there, more olives in there. And at this point, I just like to give a quick toss around so you can see all that. All right. Somebody jumped out. Piece of cucumber. Okay. All right. Let's toss in the tomatoes. Now, I like to leave the feta cheese to last. We'll get the dressing in there first, and then I'll get the feta cheese in there. I don't want to just squish it. I want to keep it nice and crumbly. So in goes that dressing that we made. All right, and now I'm just going to toss everything. Just get all that dressing on everything. Wet all the pieces of vegetable and bean and everything else in here. Oh, that's looking really good already. And now, what really sets this salad off. In goes that feta cheese. That just makes it absolutely fantastic. And there we go. How easy is that? Look at that. That's going to be a nice salad tonight. Okay, there we go. Enjoy Mediterranean bean and feta salad. Delicious. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the feature tag called Recipes. Not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll get access to everything on there. It's some fantastic stuff, all kinds of extras that you don't see otherwise. And also, you'll be supporting the creation of many more of original Kuma's Kitchen recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy Mediterranean bean and feta salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.